My name is Raelynn and Paisley. My name is Paisley. My name is Joy. Okay, so we're gonna start eating. My name is Joy. Hi y'all, we are doing a watermelon what? Video and my name is Paisley. Do it. Her name is Raelynn, and we are going to start doing it. So let's do it. We have watermelon marshmallows, and we have watermelon gummies, and we have watermelon Twizzlers and watermelon gum and some watermelon cake. Let me say it. Okay. These are marshmallows, and these are gummies, and these are gummies, and these are gummies, and these are gummies. Stop. These are marshmallows. Watermelon. We have a watermelon drink that we're gonna pour it. So let's pour it. We want to do like this. Pour. Oh no, it's leaking. It's okay. Okay, Raelynn. I'll have it. We have watermelon gummies, watermelon marshmallows, and some Twizzlers, and we have some squeeze stuff that you squeeze. And we have some watermelon and some watermelon. We have a watermelon cake. A big old melon. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let me have a marshmallow. I'm gonna say hello. Nope. Good? Yeah. Got us. You got us. Huh? Okay, Raelynn. Let's get a green Twizzler. Get one. I get new of these. This is so yummy. Let me have. Raelynn, no. I think you want some marshmallows. Okay. One squirt. I'm so hungry. Okay. Thank you, Means of Joy. You got me. Next time I'll get you. No, I don't know. Yeah, no, until you eat that. Paisley. 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 We have to say hello. Hello. I'm drinking. Paisley. Paisley. But mommy, can I have that cake? I don't have a fork. I'm digging. I don't have a plate. Ta-da! There's no plate. Okay, Raelynn. Here, let me help you. Cut it. Let me do it. No. Let me do it. Hey, let me do it. Let me. One box. Raelynn, the scoot a box. Give me a peanut. Okay, Raelynn, my turn. Have to eat like. Hey, I got you. I got you. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Thank you for coming to our video. We'll see you in the next one.